Next, I want to explain to you about cognitive strategy, that is practicing exactly or formally practicing with sound and writing system. This strategy for listening, speaking, and writing. In listening, this strategy is often focused on perception of sound, that is, pronunciation and intonation, rather than on comprehension of meaning. For example, Mika, a learner of English, listened to different words containing the letter O, the combination that sound different in various words, like true, two, took, and told, like that. And she create her own phonetic spelling order to understand them better. She create phonetic spelling like that. Two, tooth, and two, like that. And this strategy can be expanded to include not just listening but also speaking. For example, Mika practiced the many sounds by taping her speech, comparing it with that of a native speaker, and looking in the mirror. So she can see herself when saying the song. This strategy also certain learning no writing system necessary for using the target language. Of course, language learner do not always have to learn a writing system, but many language have alphabet, syllabaries, or idiomatic system that differ from the learner on writing system. I'm REFKA. Thank you.